Alright guys, so we're going to do practice on a problem similar to problem 2 on your homework. So if you're a little bit stuck there, this should help you out and give you a place to start. So for this practice problem, it's going to be to evaluate the sum from -2 to 3 of log 10 to the x. So the first thing that we want to notice is this evaluate right here. So that means that we're going to be finding the actual value of the sum of -2 to 3 of log 10 to the x. And one thing to notice is if we just leave it exactly how it is, that's going to get really complicated really fast. So the first thing we want to do here is actually to simplify this function right here, the log 10 to the x. So to do that, we're going to think all the way back to Unit 1 Learning Target 2, our properties of logs. So take a second, think about what property we could apply here to simplify it. And that's actually going to be our power property. So what we can remember is this x can be brought down in front of the log. So we're going to rewrite our sum. Everything at the beginning stays the same. The sum from x equals -2 to 3, but this x can be brought down in the front to get x log of 10. And from there, we want to think about what this log 10 means. So remember, when it's no base listed on the log, that's actually going to mean that this is a log base 10. It's called the common logarithm. You might have forgot that, but if there's no base on the log, it's log base 10. Then log base 10 of 10 is actually just going to be 1. So we can cancel out that whole thing all together because it's equal to 1. So then when we rewrite this sum, we're going to get the sum of x equals -2 to 3 of x. So from here, this should be pretty simple for you guys, but we're just going to keep going, finish out the problem. So we have the sum from -2 to 3 of x. So we're just going to plug in our values into the function and see what we get. So the first thing, we're going to plug in -2 for x. We just get -2 plus -1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. So you can throw that into your calculator, or we can just look at it and say, okay, this -2 is going to cancel, this -1 is going to cancel, and then we got 0 plus 3, which just equals 3. So that's going to be your answer. Pretty simple. Hopefully that was helpful to you guys on problem number 2 on your homework.